What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your regular skin therapist and you all know how we do it here. So guys, are you having pimple on your face? Or are you having acne on your face, on your chest and at your back? Guess the review I have for you guys today. You see this? You see this? And you see this. Don't touch the dial. This video is for you. Stay connected. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wens Aesthetic channel. So guys, if today is the first time you are watching my video on YouTube, this is how we do it here. I drop the honest review on skin products, give recommendations and tell you on how to use these products. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button so to be notified on any update. So guys, as you can see here is the Sub 7 Turmeric with Honey Soap, the Retin A Treatment Soap and the Retin A 24K Soap. So let's look into details about these three soaps, how they work and how you can use them. But first of all, let's talk about the Retin A Soap. Okay, so this soap comes in two different forms, which includes the Retin A Treatment Soap and the Retin A Remove Acne Whitening Soap, popularly called the Retin A 24K Gold Soap. So the similarity between these two soap is that both are transparent soap and in content they both contains tretinoid as their active ingredient, which is a retinoid derived from vitamin A. And the difference between these two Retin A soap is that the 24K Retin A contains gold particles, which is rich in collagen, making your skin look younger. Having said this, now let's look at why people choose this Retin A soap, how it works and what are the benefits of this Retin A soap. First is that this soap helps to treat acne or pimple by reducing the inflammation caused by acne. This soap also helps stimulate the skin by promoting a rapid exfoliating of your skin. Also, this soap fades away the appearance of dark spots on any part of your skin, and it promotes a flawless skin and a bright looking skin. So I guarantee you, using this soap you have a smooth skin, smooth face and a good looking complexion. So now, what are the skin types that are meant to use this soap? One is the sensitive skin, the normal skin and the oily skin. These are the major skin types that are to use this Retin A soap. Also, if you are battling with acne and pimple, maybe you are having chest acne, face acne or back acne, this soap is also for you. So now let's talk about the Sub 7 Turmeric with Honey Soap. The key ingredients of this soap includes the salicylic acid, turmeric extract and honey. So what are the works of this soap? First is that this soap helps you to have a bright skin. Secondly, it clears dark spots and also makes you have a glowing complexion. Then most importantly is that this soap clears acne on both your face and body. So now let's look at the benefit of this soap. One is that it gets rid of dead skin cells of the body that do not allow your body products to work on your skin. Then secondly is that it gets rid of blemishes such as dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and it also helps to nourish the skin, moisturize and prevent dryness, leaving the skin soft and radiant. So lastly, this soap is to be used by all skin type, including the dry skin, the oily skin, the normal skin, the combination skin, the sensitive skin and so forth. So having learned all these essential facts, I hope that you can now select between the Retin A soap and the Sub 7 Turmeric with Honey Soap. So now let's talk about how you can use this soap to have an effective result. To have an effective result of this soap, what you need to do is those areas you are having acne, maybe on your face, at your chest or at your back, just rub it at those areas, leave it to dry, maybe up to like 5 minutes or to 3 minutes. Just leave it to dry. After it have dried, use it and wash your face or wash those areas that you are having those breakouts. But you actually need to be consistent in doing this routine so to have an effective result. So after you have been doing this, you now check out for the result within 1 to 2 weeks. So guys, here ends this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Turn on the notification bell to get updates, and also share this video to your friends, because I know most of your friends might need this video, so don't hesitate to share. Leave a comment if necessary. Thank you all, and see you on my next video.